Well, Jesse, there's your neck knife. I'm fixing to make a sheath, Kydex sheath, black with flat dark earth cord. Let me turn this light on. Yeah, there we go. Boy, does that stuff polish up nice, huh? And that new buffer of mine, oh yeah, it is a workhorse. All right, let me go and make a sheath. I'll have a sheath in a couple hours, and well, I'll ship this to you Monday. Oh man, okay. I'm up to 120. What I did was sand out my 80 grit, I'm sorry, my 60 grit initial grind on the bevels. And I mentioned in another video that is 120, but 120 on a belt driven that fast is way deeper scratches than 120 when your hand sanded. So I had to sand all the belt grinder scratches out this way, and then I had to sand my bevels, and this is what it looks like to start. Let me turn these off because for some reason you see better without that light. So this is what I have to start with. These deep scratches going this way, and these bevel grinding scratches going this way. But that's it for today. I've had a long day. And I'm debating on whether, here's the thing, G10, it dulls every single thing I have. This is the only G10 handle material I have. I bought it years and years ago. I intended to make a knife and auction it off for breast cancer awareness. I never got around to it. So I've had these all this time. I'm talking probably 2 or 3 years I've had these. And since then, I have cut a couple of G10 to be used as liners, some thin stuff. And I did not know how hard G10 was. G10 is as hard as steel. And this G10 here, it dulled everything I had. So I'm not sure if I want to use it or not. I'm really thinking more I'm not. Maybe I'll just pick out a real nice wood, a light colored wood. Anyway, I haven't decided what I'm going to do. But I got to start on this. This is sold, that is sold. And I have a dinner skinner, 2 BC specials, and a Cato that's not sold. And a friend of mine gave me this wood. And I'm thinking, I think he called this African ebony. I'm thinking of putting that on the dinner skinner. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm going to do that. Okay. I finished one up this morning, and I got paid for that. Monday I'll ship it, and tomorrow, Sunday, I'll be working on these all day.